15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. That English actually doesn't work. I live in a mansion. That does not work. What should I say? It is an apartment. It is an apartment. Do you have a consent? That is not correct. What is the right word? It is an outlet. It is an outlet. I am a salaryman. That is a Japanese word. How do you say it? I am an office worker. I am an office worker. Can I use a hotchkiss? That is not used. What should I say? It is a stapler. It is a stapler. Do you have a pen light? That does not work. What is it in English? It is a flashlight. It is a flashlight. I want gasoline. That sounds odd. What should I say? Just say gas. Just say gas. I want to claim. That is different. What is the right word? Make a complaint. Make a complaint. Give me a driver. That is not right. What is it in English? It is a screwdriver. It is a screwdriver. Please give me a sign. That is different. What should I say? It is an autograph. It is an autograph. Is there service? That is different. How do you say it? It means free. It means free. You are smart. That is different. What should I say? You are slim. You are slim. My tension is high. That is different. What is the right word? I am excited. I am excited. I will challenge. That is not right. What should I say? I will try. I will try. I am my pace. It is unclear. How do you say it? My own way. My own way. I want revenge. That is too strong. What should I say? Try again. Try again. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.